Hey everyone, we're here in my kitchen. In my backyard we've got a lot of fresh fruit trees, so one of the things I love to do is make fresh jam. We've got apricot and plum trees in the backyard, so we're going to make some apricot and plum jam. This is Jammin with Jake. So once we've picked our fruit, first step is to prep the fruit. We've got our apricots, our plums, and then we have some lemons as well. We'll be using lemon juice in with the mix. The first thing you want to do is just make sure your fruit's nice and clean. Our backyard, totally organic. We're not a big production farm or anything, but still want to wash them anyway. Once we get that done, then you just go right into cutting all of your fruits. For the lemon, we just need the lemon juice, so we're going to squeeze about a quarter cup of lemon juice and get on our way. So once we have our fruit, we just pour it right into a nice big pot. Do that twice. Generally, you have equal parts sugar, equal parts fruit by weight. I don't have a scale, so for dense fruit like plums or apricots, usually 8 cups of fruit is about 6 cups of sugar. So, in order to make sure the jars are nice and clean, keep everybody safe and have the jam last the longest, we just drop them in a boiling pot of water for about 10 minutes. You jar the jam, and that's it. And that's Jammin' with Jake.
Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful.
We're jamming with Jake so that we can raise money to make the city a more progressive place. Money in politics is a huge problem, and we have to figure out creative ways to start moving in the direction that we want to see for us in our community. For me, it's giving back, it's being engaged, and that's what I'm asking of all of you. Help me invest in a brighter future for San Jose, and you'll get some jam along with it. This campaign's committed to not taking money from corporations, developers, or real estate, because as a city, we absolutely have an issue where tens of thousands of dollars flood elections for those that are doing well, and those that aren't doing well lack a voice in this process. I'm so grateful for every donation that comes into this campaign. It's absolutely been about building community for me, and I wanted to share that with everyone else. So this is my way of giving back, saying thank you, putting a little bit of my heart, a little bit of my hard work into something that you can take home. So for the next 30 people that donate to the campaign, we're gonna raffle off 15 jars of jam so that you don't have to go to Whole Foods to get an organic, homemade jar of jam where your money ends up going to Jeff Bezos. Thank you for watching the video. All my live videos, recorded videos, they're fun to do because I know I get to connect more with the community, so I really appreciate it. We're gonna have a lot more fun through the next 5 months of this campaign, and I'm excited. appreciate all the support from everybody who's donated, who's knocked on doors, who's volunteered to make phone calls. It really means a lot, and I couldn't do this without you.